Hope, what does the cat say? Okay, what does the bird say?
Tweet, tweet.
What does the fish say?
Jump out.
Yeah, close enough. What does the pig say?
Wink, wink.
What does the frog say?
Rabbit, rabbit.
What does the bunny say?
Hop, hop.
What does the dog say?
Woof, woof.
Yeah. What does the giraffe say? Yeah, okay. What does the
Elephant say.
what does the elephant say? What does the elephant say?
Woo.
Yeah. What does the cow say?
And camel says.
What does the cow say?
Camel says.
What does the camel say? What does the camel say? What does the cow say?
Moo.
What does the camel say?
Fire.
Okay, she doesn't know. What does Hope say? What does baby Caitlin say? What does a baby say?
Quack, quack.
What does a baby say?
Quack, quack.
The baby says wah.
Quack, quack.
Okay, close enough. What does Ooh, I got a good one. What does a deer say?
Quack, quack.
What does a chicken say?
Mm.
What does a chicken say?
Quack, quack.
Yeah, what does a sheep say?
Yeah, yeah.
Close enough. Oh, you're so cute. Say hi, Hope. Say hi. I think she knows.